Welcome back to the Hero Arts YouTube channel. I'm Mindy, and this video is the introduction and inspiration video for the October 2022 My Monthly Hero Kit. We are taking a trip to the North Pole in this month's kit. We have a 6x8 clear stamp, 19 coordinating frame cuts, snow dot cling background stamp, 2 ink cubes in white reactive and unicorn pigment ink, and then 2 sheets of each of diamond glitter, snow glow, and lapis cardstock. So here is a closer look at the stamp set that's included in the kit. These are great scene building images. We have some silhouette images of Santa's sleigh, some deer, we have some trees, a moon. There's also a train, and then some images here to create the look of a little village or of the North Pole. Now, something really amazing that I'm excited for is included in the coordinating dies are dies to cut out the sentiment. So we have a few sentiments here. There is sending holiday cheer. We have 'tis the season, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. So these images are great for stamping in maybe a dark color ink if you wanted to create a silhouette scene, but they also work well stamping in colored ink as well. And you can also use your markers or any of your favorite coloring medium to color in some of the areas of the village or on the tree. Taking a closer look at the background stamp in the kit, this is meant to create snow for your background, but it also works great as just a fun background that you can use throughout the year, not just as snow. You can use it to add texture to your cardstock. Now we can take a look at some amazing inspiration from the creative team. You're going to see how the team layered up the images to create scenes. They created nighttime scenes, or some of them even took some individual elements out of the stamp set to create their cards. Hero Arts is celebrating this release with a blog hop filled with inspiration from not only the creative team, but also some special guests. You can find this inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are not restocked. Become a subscriber today so you don't miss out on any of these amazing kits. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next month with the next My Monthly Hero Kit.